try it.
Kisses like sparks of love, explosions with the sky apart, the roar of the crowd in our heart.